Hello everybody. I want to talk about some really common pronunciation mistakes. Certain words are frequently mispronounced due to silent letters or irregular patterns. You may have really great grammar, but if you're mispronouncing words, you can seem like you don't have a good grammar. So don't let your pronunciation let you down. Some of the commonly mispronouncing words are mischievous. Yes, you heard it right. Mischievous. Wednesday. Wednesday. Fasten. Fasten. Vegetable. Vegetable. Death. Death. Receipt. Receipt.